Hello everyone, welcome to payexchanger.com, and in this video I will explain you how you can sell easily your Bitcoin and get money into your SEPA bank account in Spain. You can get money into your any bank that supports SEPA transfers in euros to your IBAN. So the very first step is to create, login and verify your account. So verification is normally very safe and quick. It wouldn't take more than 3 or 4 minutes. So after verification, here you will select Bitcoin, and to receive you will select SEPA, and next you will enter amount which you want to exchange. For example, you want to exchange 0.1 BTC or maybe 0.5 BTC, and after that, here if it's not already SEPA selected, you can search for SEPA transfer, or you can go to fiat and see other options, Visa, MasterCard, or all options. You can select any option. So for bank transfer we are selecting SEPA transfer. So here you will enter your IBAN, and also you will need to write your phone number and then agree to the rules and start exchange. Now you will be on the next step. Here you will again verify, for example, how much amount you will receive and how much time you have to pay for this order. Review your IBAN if it's correct, your phone number need to be correct, and then you can click pay. Make sure your bank account is on your own name. You cannot use someone else or any third-party bank account. So we will compare your name and we will use your name which is on your pay exchanger account. So uh, that's why we didn't ask your name, we just asked for your IBAN. Then click on pay, and here you will see get a BTC address, or now you can go to your wallet or anywhere from where you want to pay, for example Binance or some other app. So you can scan this QR code, or you can directly transfer to this Bitcoin address, but make sure you send exactly this amount. So when you transfer Bitcoin, normally your wallet service provider will charge network fees to transfer Bitcoin. So keep in mind that network fees as well. For example, to transfer 0.05, we should receive exact amount. So you need to pay the fee, whatever fee is for the transfer. Otherwise, your order will not be automatically marked as paid. So once we receive your payment, your order will be marked as paid, and then our team will process your order and transfer it to your SEPA account. So it's that simple to just quickly exchange your Bitcoin to your SEPA bank account.